Hello my fellow YouTubers, bassheads. This is a recap for the Ford Ranger build that parts are taking their time to get here. They keep getting postponed. And that's what I'm waiting on is my parts and some paint and some Raptor liner and yeah, and just can't wait till the stuff gets here. And for the meantime, for my we all got our needs for some bass and some loud music, portable. We got here a DIY speaker box, Bluetooth, and made from Skar audio woofers. We got some generic style full range mids and some skar tweeters in there. You can't really look real close, you can kind of see the emblem in there, but this is a full-on portable Bluetooth boombox, and with a handle and such, and so it fully charges in the back. Got your voltmeter, also USB ports to charge your cell phone, a standard plug-in jack, 12 volt to charge the lithium batteries that are in there. They're lithium polymer 4. This thing's rocking about, I say about 500 watts. We'd have to hook it up to a meter to confirm that, but that's what's in there is about 500 watts. And let's go ahead and get to the demo and show you what this thing does. So yeah, you're gonna need to put your headphones in for that one. That was that full blast, and it really gets it. As you can see, the port, the box is tuned roughly about 35 hertz or so is where where it gets down to, and then up. And of course, you got your avatars, 12-inch. STUs that are going in the Ranger, and then my A-pillars. Once again, waiting for some product to show up so we can get this ball rolling on this Ford Ranger. And so guys, just stay tuned, be patient, and check out the rest of the videos. Alright guys, have a good one. Peace out.